Y'all, welcome back to Katie's Empire, and we got another interesting video for you guys to check out today. So today's video is going to be about a woman that gets caught lying about who she went out of town with for the holidays. Yeah. Let's get into it.
Get in the car. Let's open the car. You not get in the car. You caught the Look at this shit. You know I'm serious. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Who that ain't no gay best friend. You ain't answering the phone. No. Hell no. Hell no. You good. No. Hey. Cuz. Hey. Lock the door. Pop the trunk, bro. No. No, cuz. No. You getting out. It's your shit. I'm not putting your shit back in the
What you doing?
You caught up.
Caught up what? That's my gay best friend. Stop playing with me. Stop put my shit back in his
No, don't come back to my house.
Alright, what you mean don't come back? I'm gonna come back with the police. I'm gonna call the Uber and come back with the police.
Don't come back to my
Alright, get
house.
the I'm gonna pull out with an Uber.
You got caught up. Don't get mad.
Get the okay, bye, move. Get the pull out with an Uber with the police.
Alright, cool.
You got me.
No, shit, you got caught up.
I'm gonna come with the police.
You seen the video,
I'm gonna
right?
come with the police.
You seen the
That's
video,
my
right?
gay best friend.
That's your gay best friend.
Yes, it is.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is.
Hey, you didn't answer the phone
I
that
went to
night.
take care of my grandma. What are you talking about?
No, you was not. No, you was not taking care of your grandma. You lied about
Yes,
that
the
shit.
doing this shit's embarrassing as
Yeah, COVID. You lame.
But
you
alright,
lame as hell.
I'm gonna call an Uber. I'm gonna call a
Alright, whatever.
This
You
shit
not
is
saying they had
embarrassing.
COVID?
You in front of all these
Nobody even died of COVID no more. You can argue for you want to argue for the. She looking with no gay best friend. Hey, bro, she a liar, bro. Hey, bro, she a liar, bro. She a liar. Since she was wearing.
What are you doing? This shit is embarrassing. I went to take care of my grandma. You mad?
They ain't had COVID.
What you mean? Yes, the
Liar. You a liar. But guess what? You're not getting back in my car. You're not getting back in my
I'm
car.
gonna call an Uber with the police.
Call an Uber.
I'm gonna call an Uber
Call with the cops.
police.
Call the Uber. Call the police. Call the police. Call them.
What are you talking about?
Call the police. Call you your gay best friend, bro. Police right here. The police right here. Alright. Alright.
You doing all this for what?
Because you lied. Because you lied.
My gay best friend.
Whatever you lied. Your grandma and them ain't got COVID. Alright, watch out. Your grandma and them ain't. Your grandma ain't got COVID. Your grandpa ain't got COVID. She lied about her grandparents having COVID. Ain't nobody even dying. Alright, drive off, bro. Drive off, bro. Bye. Drive off, bro. Hey, she lied. She lied. She said her grandparents had COVID. She was out of town with a dude, with a whole dude. You lied. You a liar.
Why do people do that, man? Like, why in the world are you gonna put that lie on your grandparents? Like, just keep it a band, man. If you want to go out of town and go be for the streets, then just say that. Like, let that man go live his life. You be single, you do single stuff, but do not put that stuff off on your grandparents and then lie and talking about that's your, come on, man, that's your gay best friend. Man, boy, good grief. And I tell you, this stuff is getting ridiculous, man. Respect, man, because he could have did anything else with her stuff. At least he was nice and he was kind enough to bring her stuff to the airport when she got there. Yo, at least that guy was nice enough to drop her stuff off, hand delivered now. He brought all of her stuff, like, listen, this is all your clothes, your drawers, your socks, everything that you had at my house. I'm gonna go ahead and bring that stuff to you. And when you catch that Uber, you catch it to your mom's house or somebody else's crib. How about go back and go be with your best friend? Cause we not rocking like this. Go on about your business, man. But I want to hear from y'all, man. What do you guys think about this? What would you have done in this situation? If you had a young lady, fellas, if you had a young lady that said that she was going out of town for whatever reason, and she ended up going to go spend time with another guy, what would you do? I want to honestly hear from y'all. Let me know down in the comments. Also, ladies, I want to hear from y'all as well. Do y'all think that he handled this situation well? How do you think he should have handled this? I want to hear from y'all as well, all right? Y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.